very best. You can see the product. And for another plant, it's about 3 or 2.5 meters from here to the red color. This is product. So we hope the Minister of Agriculture, Bogor Institute of Agriculture, and also in North Sumatra province, they like to develop this area, this coffee plantation. This is the owner